Hi everyone. Here at Marvelous, we have seen so many incredible journeys, and here we have Krupa today. She has gotten an opportunity to work for our client from Australia. So, Krupa, how are you feeling? What are your feelings right now?
The feelings are great. To brief our users a little bit about the whole context, I would like to say that the client was onboarded at Upplers. We've been serving them for almost 5 years now. And now the client has been happy with our deliverables, they're happy with our service, they're happy with my performance. So now they have been kind enough to call me there and sponsor me to work for them from Melbourne, which I feel has been like the greatest opportunity of my life.
That's incredible. But, Krupa, tell me, if someone is meeting you for the first time, how would you introduce yourself?
Wow, that's an interesting question. If someone was to meet me for the first time, I feel like I started my journey at Upplers when they weren't even Upplers. They were called Octus. And I was onboarded with the title of SCM Executive. And then ever since then, today people refer to me as Senior Account Strategist. So the journey has been a decade of growth. And I've had opportunities to work for a lot of clients during the whole tenure and a lot of platforms for sure as well. So the journey has been great, really very empowering, and a full journey of growth.
That's really nice to hear. Krupa, managing different markets, especially in Australia, what was your day-to-day things that you did here at Marvelous, and what were your, insights from that?
Sure. So at TSC, which is our client, the Social Click, they are an agency that provide end-to-end digital marketing solutions. Okay, they have been, you talk about content creation to content distribution, if it's your influencer campaign or the campaign for your social engagement, they do it all. So I feel like a day looks very exciting and promising. It starts with media planning. It goes up to a point where you have to optimize, you have to pivot your strategies and align with the KPIs. So I feel like the day is very exciting, challenging as well. But very exciting overall.
So, tell me more about, your relationship as a vendor and now switching that role completely, how it is going to be.
Well, it is still yet to be implemented, but I'm very excited about this. The role shifts in a way that I have been an employee to Mavlers up until now. And then in a few days, I'm going to actually start becoming their vendor, where I actually fly overseas and work for the client in Melbourne. So I'm really excited about what the actual relationship will look like once it shapes up. But I'm pretty sure that all the managers here have been very supportive for the whole journey. And I'm sure that we will continue to build great results for our client because that's what we do in and out every day.
Yeah. Australia is a really big step. How is your family feeling right now? Are they, oh, my girl is going away?
Yeah.
What are their feelings?
Yeah. When I first told them about this whole move and the proposal from the client that they are willing to sponsor me, and it is a bittersweet moment of proud for them. They are absolutely very appreciative of the fact that there is someone who is valuing all the work their daughter has put in over all these years. But at the same time, they're obviously sad about my departure. But I definitely feel that they have been practically very supportive into helping me prepare to go there and showing me the willingness and openness to actually take this leap in my career. So yeah, I feel like they're equally excited and proud of this whole thing.
On a scale of 1 to 10, tell me how nervous are you?
Oh my God, don't even ask this. I'm very nervous about this whole change. However, I know that all my managers and all the leaders that I'm going to work with, be it from Upplers or be it from the agency side that I'm going for, they have been super, super supportive. And I know that they will never let me down. There'll never come a time where I feel like I'll be left high and dry. So yes, nervous about the whole change, but very confident and I feel supported. So yeah, it's going to be a great chapter, I hope.
If you had to sum up your journey here at Marvelous, how would you, tell someone that how Marvelous has been for you?
Like I said, it has been a journey of 10 years. And I have seen the team grow. I have seen the team thrive for performance. I have also seen and lived the time of the challenges, global challenges like COVID into the picture. So I feel like the journey has been great. The management and the leaders are always very supportive. They are always happy and available to help you with any problems. At the same time, they are also very solution driven towards the client's requirement. So I feel that it is a perfect mixture where you can say that they're a people's company, but at the same time, they serve their clients with equal importance. So I feel like Mavlers has been great, and my journey summarizes that all, right? It's difficult in this situation. I mean, in this global, awareness phase, if employees are not happy, they are pretty quick to leave the company. And now that I'm taking this new step with all the support from Mavlers, I feel the journey definitely summarizes saying that they've been supportive, they have been empowering, they have trained me enough to actually make this whole move into the global marketing that I'm yet to make. So I feel, that summarizes the whole thing.
Thank you, Krupa, for taking your precious time. Like, you're flying in like 4 days, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, thank you so much. Loved having you here.
Likewise.
And that's Krupa's story. Here from her desk at Mavlers to now going to Australia. I just could not stop smiling because her journey has been so incredible over the last 10 years. We wish her all the best for her journey. And to know such incredible stories, stay with us and see you at the next one.